That said, a crypto online casino is similar to a traditional online casino, but it allows players to wager and play using cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and others, instead of traditional fiat currencies. Cryptocurrency deposits and withdrawals. Players can deposit cryptocurrencies into their casino accounts and use them for betting and playing games. Likewise, they can withdraw their winnings in cryptocurrencies. Anonymity and privacy. Cryptocurrencies can offer a higher level of anonymity compared to traditional payment methods, as players may not need to disclose personal information during transactions. Game selection. Crypto online casinos typically offer a variety of games found in traditional online casinos, such as slots, table games, live dealer games, and more. Provably fair games. Some crypto casinos implement a concept called Provably fair gaming, which allows players to verify the fairness and randomness of game outcomes using cryptographic algorithms. Bonuses and promotions. Similar to regular online casinos, crypto casinos may offer various bonuses and promotions to attract and reward players. Security. Reputable crypto online casinos employ robust security measures to protect players' funds and personal information. Licensing and regulation. The legitimacy and trustworthiness of a crypto casino can often be determined by its licensing and regulatory status. Look for casinos with proper licenses from reputable jurisdictions.